and welcome to our English speaking zone conducted by our honorable teacher M.D. Majharul Islam. And on the behalf of our teacher, he is not present here. He is on a marathon earlier this day. So we are in the Friday, on the off day, we are practicing to build our fluency and to do better in the future. And I think we are going to conclude two sessions. One is going to be newspaper, describing newspaper, and then the second is going to be giving thoughts and opinions about a random topic. So first, the part is newspaper, describing newspaper. So who will come first?
Yes,
Saif, come to the dais and describe that.
Dear audience and my dear friends at Frajtek Mesalam, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you? Well, this is FM Shanti Hasan Taib. Actually, I am not a good speaker, but I want to be a good speaker in future. I am sorry for my ignorance. My today's topic is newspaper described. It was the published 27 September 2024. Let's see the headline. Hasina must return, face justice if guilty, and WB to give 3.5 billion to support Bangladesh reforms. Ice starts to melt and worrying tourist inflows nowhere near expectations. And second chapter, BNP leader Salahuddin acquitted in 2 cases in Pons Bazar. Hasina must return, face justice. And ice starts to melt. A nation, Orion firms human change, protesting independence, TV's yellow journalism. And first headline, Hasina must return, face justice if guilty, to describe. Chief Advisor Professor Muhammad Yunus has said that ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina should be extradited and brought to justice if found guilty of any crimes. Emphasis in the importance of accountability in governments during an event in New York on Wednesday, Yunus responded to questions about Hasina's potential return to Bangladesh, asserting why not, if she has committed a crime, she should be returned and face justice. When asked whether he plans to participate in the election, the chief advisor of the interim government indicated that he has no intention of contesting in the upcoming national parliamentary elections. When asked whether he plans to participate in the elections, the chief advisor of the interim government indicated that he has no intention of contesting in the upcoming national parliamentary election. What do you think when you see me? Am I going to run in the elections? He responded during the questions and answer session at the Climate Forward event organized by US media outlet the New York Times. Let's move to the next page. Winners of the Inter Shaheen Debate Conference received a trophy at the auditorium of BAFWA at BAF base Kurmitola on Thursday. Next headlines, BNP leader Salahuddin acquitted. Let's move to the next page. Professor Yunus seeks Gates Foundation's support for health sector and dissolve UPS formed during El Regan BNP. And move to the next page, headlines. mm, 46 drone during Hindu festival in India. Next headline: false records created in police station CBI.
And this is the news of Asia.
Yes. And next to the
World news.
Yes. And next to the next page. Headlines: U.S. allies call for 21 ceasefire in Lebanon, and 9 more killed in Gaza. Next page headlines: art show embracing in harmonious begins at Kalakendra. Next headline: Tiron dance repertory stages Kontholite Surjan Churi. And next headlines: global banking reforms, youth leadership crucial.
And you have to say that editorial is one of the most important page of a newspaper.
Yes, it's important. What will U.S. interest rate cards made for Asia and the Pacific?
Yep.
Next headlines: Islamic techniques on justice and peaceful coexistence, and let justice rule down like water. So time is very short. For the time being, this was a nice moment. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.
Wait for him. Okay, so thank you, Tayyab, to come on the dais and describe the newspaper very expertly. So I would like to give the chance to another person, and who is going to come again? Sorry, who is going to come? Yeah.
Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Tamil Turak before you. I am 16 years old. I read in class 9. I am a student of Bahuan Islamic Government High School. Today I am describing a newspaper. Let's see. The Daily Star. Let's see. Yunus navigating through high hopes. Government moves to rein in easy right to sick post. Dhaka request Yunus Modi talks during UNGA. Move to the next page. Let's see. 53 arms recovered in last 3 days. Joint drive. Yunus navigating through high hopes. They told from Kenya schools blast reads to 21. Floors post for districts Dhaka 2020-22. Korea. Next page. New Bob same old. Crackdown on workers. Donut report. Constitution rewards it no place to character natural authentic says religion affairs advisors. Move to the next page. Let's see. 3 years on, only 54 PC were complete so far. A new building, 45 PC were completed so far. So next page, art is international. Let's see. I have everything that I could ask for from life. Abul Hayat. Better run vehicles were Hafidon's town 2057 lives lost in accidents. Unique in Russia were exclaimed this Katie has Russian MO deports as Moscow adventures in East. Trump's sentencing in delayed Unit F after election. World order is under threat. What UK US SPY chiefs. So move to the next page. Sports. You see Bangladesh cricketer Shanto. Shanto's quiz to end batting mystery. Boosters look for another win in Bhutan. History markers. Signer Fritz set a final showdown. Next page, let's see business. Answers to hit R&D exports. Many businesses are cancelling their price of Bangladesh industry, people say. Most stocks owned by Awami League leaders struggling. Right now, I read out Daily Sun business. Highly potential maritime sector needs skilled graduates. Two pages I will finish right now. Business. China admits economy facing new problems. Views to fix property sector up from China. World's first CO2 strong service zone ready in Norway. Australia's lithium main boom hit by sagging rises. Price fall in large cap drive stocks further down. This today's newspapers. Time is too short. I'll leave right now. So hope to see you again. That's all for the timing. Hope to see you again. Thanks for joining us, my friends, my FM Chandita Santai, Mahmudul Hasandil, and me. Today I joining this English speaking zone contacted by MD Majul Islam. That's all for the timing. Thank you. Goodbye.
Well done. You have well described the newspaper, and really, our teacher and Majul Islam has built this community as so much strong that it can be think of destroying. So I think I said that the video is going to be two part. One is going to be describing newspaper, and then the other part is going to be giving opinions and thoughts regarding on a topic. So my two friends has described the newspaper briefly, and now I am going to describe it. So let's move to that. Okay, so my newspaper is published on today, 27th September 2024. We bought this newspaper and think of, hey, let's go to our English speaking zone and practice, because in Friday we have so much time to practice, but we are so lazy, we couldn't get up early in the morning and couldn't get up of the bed. So we are here and practicing it, and my friend Taif has wonderfully said that the headlines and all. Now I'm going to describe the news that he didn't include, and that is the news of the winners. On the 9th page of the Daily Sun, and it is about, here you can see winner, and it's about, is this the end of Shakib had hoped for? So if we see the picture, we can see that I think Shakib's career is on a danger, his cricket career, and I don't think, because he's a really great player. He has represented our country in front of the other countries. So let's move to the next news, and it is coming from Tigress reach Dubai for women's T20 WC. So it is about the women cricket match. About that they have reached Dubai and UAE on Thursday for upcoming ICC Women's T20 World Cup, starting from 3 October. So 3 October Women's World Cup, don't miss it. And then let's move to the next page, and it's about District newspaper. District news, sorry. It's the 10th page of it, and here you can see 7-year closure of Silverstone quarries, but owners. Quarries put owners, workers in peril. So here a lot of vocabularies. Here is the interesting part. If you read in the newspaper, you'll find a lot of vocabularies in it, and by the help of Oxford 10th edition dictionary, you will find it so handy. So let's move to another page. It is, I think, the last No, it's not the last, it's the 11th page of it. And here are some news about here the news of what we read earlier. Like here, if you see that Shakib announcement retirement firearms, we have already said about it. My type has said about it. So let's see the last page of it. It is about back page. Its name is back page. So here is said that software exports, all words, no word. So it's about how many governmental 5 billion annual export from stack at 1 billion. So it's about the news of how the Awami League government has corrupted the nation and they took money from ours and all. So if you see this, in the other hand, you see this picture, you'll find a flooded area. It's a very rainy area. I think it's from the Dhaka. Continuous rain since Thursday morning creates waterlogged in Shahid Shangbadi, Shelin Parvin Road in the capital of Shideshwari area, disrupting regular life and causing traffic snares. So you know, is in these days is so much raining, and the other days is scorching weather. So I think it is the matter of the global warming. So we should put our life on building some good works, putting the trees and all. So here we will see another interesting news about invisible killers. What is anti-chromophile resistance? If you read this newspaper, you will find. If you read this news, you will find what is an invisible killer mean and the other reports. And now with that being said, I would like to terminate my describing newspaper part and move to our topic. And it is not specified by the other person. It is said by ours, and we will try to give our speech from our own hand on the real time. So I'd like to we'd like to take a pause for a moment, and after that we'll practice again.